Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are going to be diving down into one of the biggest memes that has been blowing up like crazy thanks to Mr. Elon Musk. And as you guys can clearly see, we are going to be talking about Troll. I mean, this was literally a once-in-a-lifetime home run, right? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Troll blew up absolutely like crazy. So today we're going to be talking about the charts, and we're going to be asking ourselves, can we actually hold these levels? Can we hold these gains? So let's go ahead and talk about it. You guys can see that Troll was literally way down here, ladies and gents. If I remember, the market cap was literally less than like 5 million. And currently we're sitting at a market cap of 70 million. And you guys can see that this thing was all the way up here. I think the market cap hit a total of about 120 million, which was absolutely crazy. Now, whenever it comes to the total supply, you guys will definitely see it right here that it is maxed out at 960.42 trillion tokens. Now, that is a massive amount of tokens. However, you guys can clearly see this blew up like crazy. Now, if anybody is kind of new here, I will tell you right now that the website obviously takes you to like some other lame website that has nothing to do with this token. So I'm kind of curious if the team kind of swapped out the website for something else. I'm kind of curious if the team bailed out like in the beginning, right? Because you guys can actually see way back over here that this thing originally did pump up like crazy when it first came out and just dumped, right? So there's a possibility that the team may not even be holding any tokens left, right? So I want you guys to understand that they may have already switched stuff up. Not only that, I want to make it very clear that the reason this pumped up is technically because there was a tweet by Elon Musk. It technically actually was not a tweet. It was on Twitter. So let's actually see if we can kind of pull this up here in just a few moments. But taking a look here at the charts, you guys will clearly see that a lot of things have been happening, right? So let me go ahead and just kind of type in Elon Musk here and see if it actually shows up. So Elon Musk, if you guys do not know, just kind of pop it up here. You guys will see it right here. Chief Troll Officer. So apparently just the word troll caused this thing to blow up, right? And you guys can see right here, Trollahim, right? So obviously this has blown up like crazy. A lot of people follow Elon Musk. So I imagine this is what has caused this thing to blow up like crazy. So the question is can we actually hold our gains? If we take a look over here on the right, you guys will see there's a lot of mixture between bullish and bearish. Remember that this is obviously a meme coin, right? This is a meme project. Not only that, I think they did get listed on a lot of different exchanges as well at the same time. But if we kind of scroll down, you guys can see that a lot of volume, technically over 21 million, still coming from Uniswap. Then we got HTX, Gate.io, MEXC, Bitmart, whole bunch of places, right? So a lot of people are definitely buying this up. And the question is who actually bought and caused this thing to pump up to 120 million in market cap? Was it Elon Musk? Right? That is the big question here. So you guys can see that Troll currently taking a little move to the downside. So let's take a look here. So we're going to pull up a chart on TradingView, but I'm going to tell you guys right now that there's no really good charts on TradingView. I mean, we could take a look against other exchanges, but they're really horrible. So the best one I got right here is a 5-minute chart. I mean, it kind of does show up this pump from way down here to up here, and that's kind of the best we got. So if we actually take a look here, you guys can see that Troll is currently in a downtrend. Remember, as stated, this is a meme, so we'll see exactly how this plays out. But you guys will see that we do have a downtrend. And technically, if you'd like to, we could say we do have a short-term downtrending channel. So we could go from here to here, right? And we could possibly go from there to say, technically, I think it's going to be over here or something like that. But anyways, we're in a downtrending channel. Not only that, we have this blue squiggly line known as the 200 EMA, and we're below it. So whenever the price action was above it, it was extremely bullish. So I'm not surprised to see a pullback here, right? I'm not surprised. I mean, I even had this a long time ago and I sold a long time ago. I mean, I even contemplated getting back in when it was up 1,000%, but then I was like, no way, nothing's going to hold 1,000% gain. And boy, was I wrong. So you guys will see right here that Troll definitely coming back down. So the question is should we be talking about any type of supports and resistances? Well, let's go ahead and do that really quick just to get it out of the way, just in case this thing does happen to, you know, hold its legit gains, right? Because I imagine a lot of people are probably going to be taking profit here. So you guys will see right up here, resistance around that 0.9 area. Obviously, there's a lot going on there, right? So let's actually say it's right there, 0.9. We did have a resistance right over here, right? Support here, support here, support here. Would have been support there, but a lot going on there in resistance. That is our previous local resistance right here, right? So if we can manage to get back above that, nonetheless back above this blue squiggly line known as the 200 EMA, then we're going to be looking for another move back up here, obviously to the 10, and I imagine it's going to be, looks like we got the 12, and then back up to all-time highs. That is what we'd be looking for. There's a lot of resistance around the 12 area. However, if we happen to continue down, which there's a good possibility, like I stated, a lot of people made a lot of money from this, and a lot of people are probably taking profits. So if we happen to break below this key level area around the 7 area, right? So you guys can see there's a little bit of support there around the 7 area. Then we're going to be looking for a further move down here to the 6, right? Which would be almost a 50% drop from our all-time high. So what we need, ladies and gentlemen, is we need to kind of wait for this to get out of this short-term downtrend. As stated, we are currently in one, right? I'm not trying to be bearish or anything because I'm not bearish, but I'm just telling you what the charts are saying. So we do have a key level of strong sloping resistance here. This squiggly line, we got a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and rejection here. So once we get back above this, ladies and gents, and it would be great. If anything, we would like to see if we can catch ourselves a... we need to find a support. We need to find a low, and we need to consolidate. So in order for this to continue. So what do I mean? Well, we need to kind of just trade sideways. That's what we need. And then, boom, eventually get a massive move to the upside. That is if we're going to hold these gains. So the question is will Elon Musk continue to hold that name, chief troll officer, or anything like that? Well, that is a great question. So let us know what you guys think about troll. Because me personally, I mean, it still could be a great opportunity, but I would definitely be waiting a little bit, especially for it to have a pullback, right? That is what we need, a pullback so we can consolidate and hopefully get continuation, because a lot of people, as stated, make money.